Hello. Yes, today we will have a really interesting topic. It's something I'm convinced you have been struggling a lot. These lovely prepositions. Yeah. Just don't forget. I don't know if I have already mentioned it in my former videos. The preposition, the system of preposition, you have to know that we have different situation, context in which you have to use a preposition. For example, you can say where you are, okay? You're in the supermarket, or you are auf dem Stuhl, you're sitting on the chair, or unter dem Tisch, under the table, or besides, neben. So these prepositions, they tell you where you are, where something is located. And this topic we're gonna discuss, so I will introduce to you, and I hope I can help you to understand it better and to activate, to use it then in your daily routine in Germany. Above all, I hope that I can give you some tricks to make it easier for you to understand the system. Because you heard auf der Party, ins Kino, in dem, auf dem, hinter dem, nach, zum, bei, and maybe you have been asking yourself, why should I use bei in this case? Why I ins, why im, why in die, in der? Oh. Okay, but it's not so difficult because actually you use 3 or 4 prepositions to say where you are, and now we are talking not where you are sitting on in which place you are. You know the places like Supermarkt, Apotheke, Bahnhof, Flughafen, zu Hause, Garten, Park. So everywhere you can, all the places you can go to, and then you can stay there. This topic we're gonna discuss today. So I want to show you something I have prepared for you. These are the toys, my son's toys. Yeah, I hope he will forgive me. So this is a symbol for an open place. You can go to a place which is open. Open what? Often? Wie? Okay, step by step. Then this one is a closed place, and that one is a person. Okay, so you can go, this is you can go to visit somebody, to a person. No, I have to go to a closed place. Nein, open place. Offen, geschlossen, Person. This is the decision. And now it's really, this is the concept. This is the only thing. You have to know to using the right preposition. That's ridiculous. Yeah, that's really, das ist einfach. You just have to know, is it an open, a closed place, or do you go to a person? Okay, so let's have a look. If you go to an open place, zu einem offenen Ort, ein offener Platz. So, this is you, das bist du, okay? Und du gehst zu einem offenen Platz, okay? So, du gehst, and the preposition you have to use zu. Ich gehe zu. And when you are here, you have arrived and you stay here, then you are an. Once again, ich gehe, you go, zu, und ich bin, that's important, because now you are, ich bin an. Okay? When you go to a closed place, you say in. Ich gehe in. Whoop. And when you are inside, you stay there. Then you use also in. Haha. Ich gehe in. Ich bin in. Ich gehe zu. Ich bin an. For you. Ich gehe. Ich bin. Ich gehe. Ich bin. And the last one, you are visiting a friend or you're going to the dentist. Then, ich gehe zu. It's the same zu like an open place. Zu. Upsala. No, ist schon müde, kann nicht mehr gehen. Ich gehe zu und ich bin bei. Also, ich gehe zu, ich bin bei. Ich gehe in, ich bin in. Ich gehe zu, ich bin an. Ich gehe. Ich bin. Ich gehe. Ich bin. Ich gehe. Ich bin. Yeah, that's it. So, now you're asking, what is a closed place open? Was bedeutet das? What does that mean? Okay, if you go into a supermarket is a closed place. Yeah, why is it closed? Yeah, because you can close it. Yeah, in the evening when it's closed, it's closed. So yeah, there are doors, a wall. Kino, Theater, it's closed. Küche, Wohnzimmer, closed. Garten. Ja, auch der Garten, ja, natürlich. Ja? Because wenn du ein Haus hast, if you have a house, your garden, you want to close it. Ja? Garten, closed place. Park, der Park. Auch geschlossen. It's a closed place. Yeah? Why is the park a closed place for German? Well, or is an exception, or is something really crazy, or it's just a park. It has to have a limit, yeah? It's limited. Somewhere it begins and somewhere it ends, the park. No, so, park. So this is all closed, and when you go into a park, you say in. When you stay in the park, in. Like Supermarkt, in. Wohnzimmer, in. Schlafzimmer, in. Schule, in. Arbeit, in. Why is Arbeit? Yeah, because work, in German they have the concept that you're going into a building, into your office. Office, Büro, in. See? So now, not every place is closed. Nicht jeder Platz ist geschlossen, sondern es gibt auch offene Plätze, offene Orte, aber wenig, sehr wenig. Was ist offen? Bahnhof, the station. Yeah, it's open. Flughafen. The airport is closed. Well, it's it's in the ground there. It's just open. Flughafen, Bahnhof oder Bushaltestelle. Bushaltestelle? Yeah, the station. Die Bushaltestelle. Genau, das ist alles offen. 3 Orte, 3 places. Und Personen, Freund, Zahnarzt, the dentist, the baker, Orthopäde, Präsident, Kollege, Chef. When you're going, you use zu. When you are at his place, bei. So, we repeat. Ich gehe zu. Ich bin an. Ich gehe in. Ich bin in. Ich gehe zu. Ich bin bei. Okay? So, let's have a look. This is gehen. This is ich bin. Okay? So, which preposition? This should be zu. this should be in, okay? And now you. You see? These are the prepositions, and now I want to tell you that, you know, im, ins, but what is about am, beim, zur? This one we're gonna discuss, or I will introduce you, I will explain to you in the other video, okay? Which article you have to put then, but I recommend, ich empfehle euch, first of all, you have to know which preposition do I have to use. Is it zu, an, in, bei? And then you can think about the articles and the dative and accusative. But first of all, it's important to have this concept. One more I want to add: when you're going home, home sweet home, das Zuhause, then you say, ich gehe nach Hause und ich bin zu Hause. This is fix. Ich gehe nach Hause, ich bin zu Hause. Ich bin. And also for countries and cities like Rom, London, München, Berlin, Spanien, Deutschland, Portugal, Frankreich, Russland. If you fly, because mostly you won't use the word gehen, you would use fahren or fliegen. Also ich fliege nach, it's the same like nach Hause, nach Italien, nach Deutschland, aber ich bin in München, in Rom, in Berlin. Ich fliege nach, ich bin in Berlin. Also mit Deutschland und Frankreich sagt man, ich fahre. Und mit Rom, München, Berlin, Heidelberg sagt man, ich bin. Das sind die Präpositionen, mehr braucht ihr nicht. Und dann könnt ihr euch noch unser nächstes Video angucken, wo dann erklärt wird, welcher Artikel kommt, Akkusativ oder Dativ. Yes, this will be the next video. If you are interested more in this topic, which article you have to put, the Akkusativ or the Dativ. Have fun, and I hope your life, your German life is easier now. Ciao, bis zum nächsten Mal.